This is the fourth job we did today. You can see there where he's cutting along the laurel hedge. We're cutting off exactly where they can't reach up to. It's probably about 4 metres or so. We're cutting that top clean off.
3 more after this, so it's like 3 o'clock.
This is my Timberwolf 230. This machine will just munch all this laurel into tiny little pieces. I'll show you them tiny little pieces after this clip. They are minute. Watch this. Chomp, 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 chomp. Tiny little pieces. I'll get closer. Just watch this. Check this out. And here comes another pile. They're not messing about. Non-stop laurel hedge trim. This is what it looks like. Perfect for allotments. This is where we're up to. Took a lot off that.